Welcome to Sonar Games. The engine's always challenged to be very awesome. Today we have 5 competitors: Gordon, Henry, Thomas, Oliver, and Edward. The first engine we are going over the bridge, helped by Craig the Crane, is Thomas. And Thomas's challenge will be going down this track, across the turntable, and into the mine and out. Alright, Thomas, see what you got. Yo, Craig, lower it. Oh, sorry, wasn't me. Oh yeah. Whoa! Cranky, that was awesome. Oh, that was awesome. Next for the mine. Thomas, that was amazing. 10 points for him. Next, Oliver will be going with Edward, the blue engine. Will they fail? Let's see what happens. Whoops. It looks like Oliver just said cut off from Edward. Let's see if Edward can make them. No, not even close. That's 0 points for Oliver and Edward. Oh, but Edward has known his tender. Alright, now let's see how we can make it through this thing. That was awesome. 100 points for Henry the green engine. Now Gordon. Wow, Gordon, you're awesome. Now let's see what you can make for that mine. Whoops, that was not good. That's 5 points for, and the winners are Thomas and Henry. What? No points for us? That's right, guys. You guys are losers. That makes no sense, you little idiot. That's it. If you don't pay us, we're going to beat you guys up. No! We don't want to. Too bad. Stop! Stop! Ow! Ow! My face! Ow! My eye! Gordon, stop! Please! No! Pay us! No!